Hello and welcome to another update video. Today we want to talk about the BlackRock stock, which I've charted today. It's currently on the 4-day chart here, this overview. And you can see that we have actually a fairly clear 5-wave move up into the 2008 highs, then a pullback in a wave 2. So that was a 1-2 setup. Then you can see that from there, a nice 5-wave move actually developed and peaked in 2021. Around $970. So within that third wave, we had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern. And then also here the third wave, which is again, oftentimes the longest wave, can be counted quite nicely. Current expectations are for a wave 4 to develop and then one more high in a wave 5. That wave 4 could be quite substantial, as it appears to be the same wave degree as this wave 2. On these long-term charts, sometimes, I mean, there might be a 1-2 setup hidden somewhere that maybe I've missed. Does it make a great difference? Not really. It would then mean that maybe we get another 4-5 pattern afterwards. For now, the focus needs to be on that fourth wave because that's really relevant for trading. Also, in terms of investing, I mean, this is a long-term uptrend. Looking at the daily chart, we can see that obviously this fourth wave has possibly started. That's the expectation. The white scenario is the preferred outcome or scenario at the moment until the market tells us something different is going on. But that is currently the, let's say, the main thesis. In this scenario, as I said, the third wave likely topped here in 2021. We have an A wave to the downside of that wave 4, which bottomed in October 22 at around $503. You can see that the actual B wave, so such a wave 4 is typically an ABC structure. The actual B wave seems to be unfolding right now as an ABC structure. The A wave of that B wave topped here in November 22, B wave pullback, and we could now be working on the C wave. Maybe wave C is already over. However, the ideal target for such a C wave is typically the 100% extension. So I cannot rule out one more high in the B wave. Okay, so A, B, C. I have enough waves in the C wave to call it completed, but the measured move or the measured target, the measured move target wasn't reached. That's the 100% extension. That's normally what I'm watching for, ideally for a C wave. So again, I cannot rule out another extension, but it would need to be confirmed with a break above $846.73. You could say that even against that level, there's a chance that the B wave already topped and the C wave to the downside has started to unfold. If that's the case, if the C wave to the downside has started to unfold, then we're actually looking for the $430 level as first ideal target. Could also go a bit lower, but we would then have to look at the microstructures here as the price is coming down. So in the yellow count, we could get another extension. In the orange count, if 5 waves to the upside form, which is currently not expected, only an alternative scenario, then we are still in wave 3. Okay, that would be the expectation. That is just another extension of the third wave, but that's currently not expected. And I would take that more seriously. However, if we get a sustained break above 926, bear in mind that this is a fourth wave. In fourth waves, B waves like to overshoot in so-called flat corrections. So it would not be surprising if that B wave extends a bit further. Okay. So yeah, still looking at a short-term uptrend here, but if we go to the 4-hour chart, it's absolutely possible that this decline has already started as per the white scenario. So it's possible this wave 5 of C of B topped already. We're now coming down in this wave 1 of C. But the condition here would be, and that's the next resistance, is that the $847 level isn't broken to the upside, and it would be further confirmed with a break below that April low of $744. Okay, so that's the condition. It would be more clear as well. It gets more clear if we get a break below that low here, the April low. This is just checking currently on a potential turning point. The downtrend isn't confirmed yet. We've just literally seen a deep pullback, and if that rally stays now below that high here, the March high, then this will increase the probabilities that the larger degree C wave to the downside has started. So either way, I think we are quite toppy in this region, even if we get another extension. Literally what it means, we now have to watch if the market reacts somewhere to resistances below $847. We can add a Fibonacci resistance area for this wave 2 corrective rally to the chart. And that's here. So it's between 793 and 822. So we get a sustained break above 822. It starts to shift probabilities towards at least the yellow count for one more high. That's my update about BlackRock. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500, as well as regular updates about stocks, then feel free to check out these stocks and S&P 500 service for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.